IKEA have a huge sale on right now, and I did not expect it to be this good. I'm going to take you around and help you decide if it's actually worth braving IKEA during the Easter holidays. There's loads of furniture in the sale, chest of drawers, bedding, and one of my top 10 IKEA dupes is actually in the sale. Plus there's a kitchen find that I genuinely could not believe the price of. So I've braved the IKEA sale to bring you everything you need to know about this Easter sale and the best bits to look out for. First up, let's look at the cushions. They had quite a few in the sale, including this bright pink one. This was half price at £2.50, and I have to say there was a lot more colour in store than usual, which I really like to see. I do tend to go for the neutrals, but I don't mind a pop of colour here and there. And they also had this one, which was £16 down to £9. It had a really nice embroidered detail, and the cover was removable, which is always nice. Personally, I wasn't keen on the grey and white, but the detail itself was really pretty. Let me know what you think. Are you a fan of IKEA cushions or not? I am going to be honest with you though, sometimes I do think IKEA have a bit of a stockpile of end-of-line bits that they just bring out for the sale. This chair, even at £60, it's just not for me. But this tray table, however, I really liked. It was £25 down to £9, and for a little side table where the tray lifts off, actually I thought this was really good. Perfect for next to the sofa or just an extra little surface. Now the chairs, they also had this high back armchair, but it did give me a bit of airport lounge vibes. With the two-tone colour, it just wasn't really for me. And honestly, I didn't see anything in the chair section that I thought was a great find. Even this one down from 70 to 30. I mean, it might work if you've got a very specific style, but for most homes, I'm not sure this will suit. But let me know what you think, because I'm sure some people will love all this. Now this was a bit of an unusual set. We're definitely going for a very specific look here. This was a folding table down to £95, and to be fair, if you've got a small space and need a bit of extra storage, it's quite nice. And I did like the detail and the shape of the tabletop. However, to be honest, it was definitely giving me North Pole vibes. And then the chairs, these were down from 95 to 40, and I have to say they were just the oddest thing I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen them before in store. It's just a very specific style, but let me know what you think, because it might be your thing. Now this is actually fairly new in. I only shared this a few months ago, and it's now down to £49. It's a storage bench, and I have to say I really like it. I love the fabric and the colour, and for the price it's a really good size. The top lifts up so you've got hidden storage inside. Be perfect for a hallway for shoes or even a playroom for toys. I just think for 49 quid this is a really good find. Now, I recently did a video on the best IKEA designer dupes, and this was in it, so I can't believe this is now in the sale, down from £12 to £7. It's a lovely tray, such a good size. I really like the shape and the detail on it. If you haven't seen that video, go and watch that next. There are some really good dupes in there, but if you want this one, be quick, as they are reduced to £7. Now, up in the kitchen section, I spotted these trays. They came in two sizes. The larger one was reduced down to £3.50, and it's a really good size. Perfect for styling on a coffee table, or using in a guest room, or even in the bathroom to keep everything neat. I just thought for £3.50, this is a really good find. And then they had a smaller one down to £2.50. These are meant to be utensils and kitchen storage bits, but I actually picked one of these smaller ones up because I thought this would be perfect for entertaining. You could use it for a cutlery tray, take it outside in the summer. Such a simple idea, but really useful, and I thought these were a really lovely find. Now, this is one of the best things I've found in the sale. These beautiful plate racks, perfect for a country kitchen, and the price on these I couldn't believe. The grey one was £59 down to £25, and the cream one, which was slightly larger, was reduced to £40, which for something like this is an amazing price. They came in grey and cream, so two really nice options, and honestly I was standing there thinking, where can I fit these in my house? If you've got a country style kitchen and you love this look, this is such a good find, and the best bit, they're also available online. Now, one quick tip I've learned along the way, if you see something in the showroom and it's in a sale bin, don't think, I'll just get it downstairs, because quite often you won't see it again. I didn't see these storage baskets anywhere downstairs, and the same with the bedding. The sizes here in the showroom can be different from what's downstairs, so if you see something you like, just pick it up there and then. Now, they definitely had some good reductions on chest of drawers. It does make you think there might be a new range coming, because it felt like they were having a bit of a clear out. So if you're looking for one, this was really good. Only 125 quid, not too deep, quite shallow. And this drawer mechanism was really nice. And for a 6-drawer unit, I thought that was a good price. And then they had the Hemnes in the sale, which is such a classic. This one was down to £99 from £189. That's a big saving, and it was just the colour that was being reduced. So it makes you wonder if there's a new design coming. But again, the quality on these is really good. So if you're looking for a chest of drawers, these are definitely worth looking at. Heading down to the marketplace, I've got to be honest, the kitchen section wasn't amazing. There really wasn't that much at all. They did have this chopping board with the cutting line, so if you're doing something like pizza, this would be nice and even. They also had a pot stand down to £150, which is a good little space saver if you don't have room for a big one. And then these glasses, these are a bit of a classic. I've actually got a few in my own home, and these were down to just 75p. They also had a really good selection of reduced tablecloths. This one was 240 centimetres long. It was only £4. They then had this one. I really like the design. It was soft with a cream pattern and only £5. Sadly, not big enough for my table. And then this one down from 29 to 15, and it did feel like better quality. Really good selection. They had these nice lightweight curtains. They were a lovely green stripe and they were down to just £6. They were very lightweight, perfect if you want to frame a window or even use them to hide something. I've seen people use them for washing machines. You could trim them down, and for £6 for a pair, I thought it was really good, and they were really long. The bedding section was really good. I got some great bargains here last year in the sale, and this one is a new design, giving me Ralph Lauren vibes a bit, and the double was down to only £12. They also had some floral ones, again, really good price. They all felt really nice and soft, not that old cheap hard fabric they used to do. I actually really like this bedding. I think it washes really well and a great improvement from what they used to sell. This bird one was also reduced as well. It wasn't quite a new design, but a double was £15. They also had pillowcases randomly reduced down to £2.50. They felt really soft in this set particularly. I've seen this all around the store, massively reduced down, and there were some great options with duvet sets from only £10 in the sale. So definitely have a look in the bedding section. The mop mini chest of drawers has been around forever, and it was reduced down to just £12, which is such a good price, but it does make you wonder, is this being discontinued or are they changing the design? Because it would be so sad to see this go. This is a massive reduction. This wall lamp is made from mouth-blown glass. It was £15 down to just £5, which is a bargain. It gives off a soft, cosy light. You do need to wire it in though, but for £5, what a good price. Perfect for a kid's room or a nursery, and you can change the look with a different coloured bulb. Now, the candle accessories is definitely my favourite section. This set of 3 candlesticks was down to just £3, such a good price and perfect for styling on a table. And then they had the 20-hour candles down to just 50p, which is an absolute bargain. These are great little gift ideas, perfect for wedding favours or adding into hampers, and the jasmine one is definitely my favourite. Also had a few reductions in the warehouse section, and this shoe storage unit was down to £79, and then they had a white chest of drawers which was down to £65. Now that did seem like really good value to me. The drawers felt really nice, fairly solid, and they had pallets of these in my store. And then right by the tills I spotted this pillowcase for just £2.50. I did pick one up, but really I should have bought 2. But that was the end of my trip to Reading. It was really dark by the time I came out. The only thing I picked up on this trip was this tray, which I'll use in the summer for serving cutlery outside in the garden. But let me know in the comments what you thought of the IKEA sale and how you'd rate it out of 10, and if you'll be heading over yourself. And don't forget to check online, as IKEA have a lot of these available there too. And if you enjoyed this video, do check out the others on my channel. I've got loads more and plenty more coming up soon. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Quick one before I go, my small business, the Linen Organiser, is now back in stock. If you want your bedding neat, separated and easy to find, these bands keep everything together perfectly. They're available in all sizes, and you can shop them on Amazon with free Prime delivery across the UK. I'll leave the link below.